Dito zone kayo, magsipag zone kayo dito guys. Huwag nyo clear para di mapunta sa kanila yung creeps. Para makalabas yung mga walang inang yan.
It is black, you see.
Request backup.
Handable na to pagkayari nito.
Gather at the Lord. Gather at the Lord.
Break! Memory.
Gather at the Lord. An ally has been slain. Gather at the Lord.
Break!
An ally has slain Lord.
Lang!
Break! Done. I need it.
Wait nyo yung Lord. May Lord tayo. May Lord tayo. Ay putang ina mo. Nag-set na.
Initiate retreat.
Quit it.
An ally has been
Putang ina mo.
An enemy
Gago, di ako nakagalaw dun. Di ako nakagalaw, gagi.
request backup. Our turret is under attack.
Di pa tayo nagsama-sama. Oh my goodness. 20 minutes. Buka ng inang yan. Tas talo pa. Yun yung masakit dun eh, par. Gagon, sikip dun ng clash. Gagi, di ako nakano. Di ako nakagalaw dun sa...
Initiate retreat.
Hindi ko nakikita yung talon ng gadot ah.
It didn't hurt.
Okay, star na yan. Clear natin lahat.
Break! Danger. Addictive.
Request backup.
Huwag mo i-clear yan ng clear, pre.
Retreat.
Magkakaroon lang sila ng trips dyan. Kaya mo gumit na yung ano.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Don't run.
Enemy killing. Launch attack.
Pitch black.
Putang ina.
Request double kill.
Patay ako na san.
Launch attack.
Ngayon di mo mapapatay yan. May ano. May balir.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Wala na akong silbi, gagi. Late game na.
Request backup. Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
I find clarity.
Gather at the Lord.
Lord tayo, Lord
Initiate
tayo.
retreat.
Gagi, may Lord. Kaya pa ubos dyan. Tang ina, ubos kayo dyan mga Lord. Sabi ko na nga eh. Talo pa to eh. Nararamdaman ko yung gato pag hindi kagad na pa. Pag hindi kagad natatapos. Natatalo pa.
Initiate retreat.
Quit it. Break!
Initiate retreat. Enemy has slain. Killing spree.
Sabi sa inyo
Initiate
eh.
retreat.
Pitch black.
Wala na. Dapat di nyo kiniklear yung mga ano obstacles para paglalabas ng Lord. Tapos sabay-sabay bugso.
Don't give up! We can win!
Buti matataba yung creeps natin, putang ina. Tumataba kasi sila kapag kiniklear natin yung ano.
Initiate retreat. Under attack.
Pag damang tayo kahit wag na natin i-clear yan.
Our
Hindi na magkakapera yan.
Under attack. Launch attack.
Kaya nga, puro late game na yan eh. Puro lock item na yung mga yan eh. Kaya
It didn't hurt.
kailangan dito isang bugsuan ng clash na eh. Pagka-clear, sama-sama yung pagka ano. Dep muna tayo, dep muna tayo.
Clear up lanes. Request backup.
Closing.
Dito na tayo, sama-sama tayo. Kailangan ng slow mo, pre.
Clear
Pre,
up lanes.
kailangan ng slow mo dito.
Wait for me.
Initiate retreat.
The snow. I
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. An enemy turret has been destroyed.
Yung Moskov nasa likod. Rat-rat kasi ano. Puta, rat-rat lang.
Base is under attack.
Wala na, tinatapos na tayo.
Shut down.
Gagi kasi yung ano din, nag-rat-rat.
Defeat.
Hindi nag-rat-rat yung ano natin, MM. Putang ina. Alam namin, hindi niya kakayanin dun eh. Puta, malumbay ah. Wag kang malumbay. Ayun na ba na sa auntie? Yung nakakano dun eh. Okay lang sana matalo. Wag lang dun sa sobrang tagal na labanan. Ayaw na ayaw ko yun. Ay, kanina pa pala nanonood si ano. Si Abigail. Wala, naramdaman ko talo na yun kasi lock item na yung ano, lahat eh. Eh si Julian, pang early game to. Pag late game nito, panset na lang to. Talo pa tayo, guys. Pag-alaman kasi, wag yun nang i-clear yung mga both side. Lamang nga tayo. Hihintay lang tayo ng Lord. Pagka nagkaroon na ng Lord, sabay natin sabay yung both lane. Ganun lang kasimple. Araw-araw lagi gagawin gaganon lang.
Tama nga yun, Tol. Tama nga yun.
Kasi, kanto yan ah.
Please ban a hero.
Okay.
Pag cleanerin nyo yung minions, edi mapupunta sa kanila yan, paparming lang nila yan hanggang sa magkaroon sila ng item na magkaroon ng item. Pero kung wag nyo i-clear yan, par, stay put nyo lang na nandun, total lamang naman tayo sa pwestuhan sa Lord, hindi na natin kailangan mag-clear dyan, par. Buwalang ina, parang hindi mga nanonood ng MPL ang puta.
LPH ka na ko.
Ay, man.
Love outshines the
Your
golden
team
crown.
is picking.
Gold ako, gold.
3,000
Oy,
worlds.
pakipatay nga yung mic
And
mo,
not
par.
a single
Shirt
worthy
kay
foe.
Abigail. Ay, hindi nga pala si Abigail. Ano ba? Ano ba pangalan nito? Abigail lang Abigail eh. Ano ito? Kalimutan ko. Glyza! Alright, shirt kay Glyza.
Sanjo.
The enemy is picking.
Abigail daw eh. Si Glyza pala. Ay, nako, my God. Masakit na yung mata ko, par. Masakit na naman ang ating kamatahan.
Light will fall prey. Thorns remain.
Wisdom works
Should
better
not
with
this
brute
fall.
strength.
Mag-off mic na nga lang ako.
This time,
The choice is mine.
Maingay na. Oh. Kanina ka pa nakatambay dyan,
I am the
Glyza.
priestess of primal lightning,
The enemy
the
is
hunter of
picking.
all the evil gods.
Come on! Let's roll!
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
Your team is picking.
Nakita mo yung talo namin? Ito, panalo na to, puki ng ina. Tumagal kasi yung laban eh. Sasanayin ko kaya yung ano. Sanayin ko kaya yung nagpapalit ng item ng
Wipe out
Truncheon
all the
tapos
injustice in the world.
Mortality.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Gusto ko din magsanay ng MM kaso di
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
madali
battlefield.
lang naman basta mayroon kang kasama.
All troops deployed.
Like.
Napakadali mag-MM ah.
I will show
Pupwesto
them
ka lang sa ano. Pag MM ka kasi wag kang bida-bida. Hoy, tama naman na. Puki ng ina nyo. Enough! Enough!
Light shows no mercy.
May Lancelot pala.
Higher ups.
Nakuha ko.
Just
Thanks.
a bunch of hypocrites.
First blood.
Lancelot ah.
The enchantments
gago
are
yan.
Well
beckoning.
played.
Crumble into dust.
Patay to. Pwede to. Putang ano mo dito, mama.
An ally has been
Ayun, double kill yan, oh.
An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Pathetic.
Pag MM ka, pwesto lang naman ang sasanayin mo eh.
Struggle is meaningless.
Ayun, patay yan.
An enemy
Nice
has
one.
been slain. An ally has been slain. Battle spell in cooldown.
Alam mo bang mahirap na role dito is... Hindi ko naman yung nasasabi na ano ah.
Combust.
Pero mas okay pa yung mage user ka saka tank user.
Come closer.
You have slain an enemy.
Mage user saka tank user kasi yan yung mga kadalasan na nagdadala ng flash. Sinamaan ako.
Enemy rampage.
We're
An
not
enemy has
done
been
here.
slain. Well played.
Mas mahirap mga gamitin yung ginagamit yung mga mage. Kaso baka mage mo na lang.
The show continues.
Try mo mga gumamit ng mga mage na mga ano, may difficulty ano.
Initiate retreat. The enemy has slain the turtle.
May mga difficulty yung mage. Parsa.
Meet your fate.
An enemy has been slain.
Struggle is meaningless.
You have slain an enemy.
Not even close.
Di naman. Hindi ba? Mga Lilia, Parsa. Ay, di mo pa pala ako nakita nagkakagura, no?
Tough enemies.
Kagura sa Kalunox, no?
Dumb
Request
allies.
backup.
Eh, yung mga main hero ko bago tong mga savior na to eh. Gusto ko lang kasi siya kasi gusto ko yung kunin yung skin nito.
Meet
An
your
ally
fate.
has been slain.
Ganda ng set dun, no?
You have slain an
How
enemy.
daring of them to
Pumasok na! Pumasok na!
combust. Come
Huwag
closer.
bumalik po. Makulit to. Ano? Pakita nga kita ng Kagura mamaya pag nanalo kami. Ano oras na ba?
No disguise can fool my eyes. Except that one time.
Ay! Naman kayo magulo. Ang ganda ng set, oh. Wait lang, wala ako skill. Sorry.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Wala ako skill kanina. Ganda sana ng set. Dati kasi core user ako, MM user. Ngayon sa tinamad na ako ng tinamad na
Your team
gumamit ng mga
destroyed a
hirong mga
turret.
pabida.
Crumble into dust.
Gather at the turtle.
Okay nang iniwan sa akin yung turtle.
Shut down.
Takbo, takbo! Hindi na makakatakbo yan.
Like combust.
Mega kill.
Pathetic.
An ally has slain a turtle. An enemy has been slain.
Tinamad na ako gumamit ng mga hirong MM.
Years to see.
Good game.
Combust.
I'll take the buff. Well
Ravens.
played.
How obnoxious.
An ally has been slain. Request backup.
Nasa blue ah. Ito.
One day, you'll stop searching for someone to blame.
Killing spree. Our turret has been destroyed.
Nice one.
Enemy has been slain.
Combust.
Double kill. You destroyed a turret. Well played.
May Argus ah.
Light forever shines upon my cloak.
Tulong nga ako dito.
Request backup.
Tangina kasi ito napakahina ng ano.
Mega
Hindi ko
kill.
maabot.
Shut down. Mega kill.
Combust. Crumble into dust.
Tumatalo na naman yung ping, guys. Kala ko dadayban niya na ako eh. Patay na
Request
ako eh.
backup. Gather at the turtle.
Labas niyo yung
Wait for
turtle.
me.
Para mabangga ng ano.
Combust.
Oh,
Huli oh, huli. Huli.
Unstoppable!
Turtle. Lord na, naging Lord pa.
Tough enemy.
Combust.
Ult is not ready. Gather up the Lord! An ally has been slain.
Yung lansa.
Struggle is meaningless.
An ally has been slain. Enemy has slain.
Putang ina! Putang ina, mag-retry kayo, Mar! Ay no. Hold.
Meet your fate.
Wag ako nakapag... Oh, yung ano. Argus. Wag ako. Ba na lang.
Combust.
Sorry.
Saan ba?
They will atone for what they did, one way or another. Combust.
Killing spree!
Light forever shines upon my cloak.
Nasa top.
An ally has been slain.
No disguise can fool my eyes. Except that
Kadita.
one time.
Ba't di ka rin gumagamit ng kadita? Maganda rin kadita.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under
Heretics.
attack.
How daring of them to
Ay!
utter that word.
Patay ako.
Shut
Inang
down.
ina mo, nagulat ako,
We're
par!
not done here.
Tanginang yung gulat naman ako doon, par! Hindi ka uubra dyan. Kaya pupuno buhay niyan.
Our turret is under attack. Shut down.
How intriguing
Enemy double kill.
to be reborn again.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Nakakamilos trick kami ah.
Our turret is under attack. Ally has
Tay.
been slain.
Tay ka!
It took me 10 years to see the truth.
Ito na kasing bangga na to eh. Makuliti eh.
Higher ups? Just a bunch of combust.
Dyan ah. Nice, cancel. Palag.
Our turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain.
Palag.
Double kill. An ally has been Our turret is under attack. Killing spree. Shut down.
To where the path started.
Muntikan pa ako dun mahanap ah.
Our turret is under attack.
Uy, Lance! Gagi, di tatama yan.
Ravens.
Lumang tugtugin na yan, Lance.
How obnoxious.
Itong tatama. Oh. Di ba hold ka ngayon? Utang ano yan kasi di ka napatay.
Light shows no mercy.
An ally has been slain. You have slain an
Makulit
enemy.
ka. Lance, lumang tugtugin na nga yan, Lance, par.
Enemy has been
Yaw, bre,
slain.
sa mga
Slain.
Come
galawan
closer.
mo mga makukulitin yan.
Gather up
Lord!
the Understood.
Lord na, par. Out na ako, Bart. Work na, Tom. Sana manalo kayo.
Mystic logic. Funny how they label things they don't understand. Struggle is
You
meaningless.
have slain an enemy.
Not even close.
Walang kaya mag-Lord. Sana nga, manalo kami, par. Dahil talaga namang lose streak
Light
na.
shows no mercy.
Ay, bumangga na!
Ally has
Pwede yung pitasin dalawa, oh.
launch attack. Ult is not ready.
Combust.
An enemy has
Nice
been
one.
slain. Double kill.
So, di na makakauwi to.
Triple kill.
Lord na, Lord na, Lord na. Lord. Diba? Yung mga mid natin, par.
Combust.
Ano ko?
Crumble into dust.
Your team destroyed
Tamang
a
sapul-sapul
turret.
lang.
An ally has slain Lord.
Bumak ka na, wag.
Just a tiny break. Well, what's next?
Killing
Combust.
spree.
Hindi pa nakuha yun. Blood wings na tayo.
Magic.
Tapos, ano pa ba?
Your team destroyed a turret.
Dalawang Holy Knight para ano. Malaking damage.
Light forever shines upon my cloak.
Lance na tamakulit, oh. Iniiwan ng puta, kawawa naman, par! Clear!
They will atone for what they did. One way or
Bot.
another.
Gagi ka, ginagawa mo dun! Ay, gago, mali. Dito mama yung first
Tough
kill.
enemies, I don't
Initiate
fear.
retreat.
Dumb
Ally has
allies.
been slain. Killing spree. Your team destroyed a turret.
Combust.
An enemy has been slain.
Ang ina mo, patay.
We're not
Shut
done
down.
here.
Enemy
Kala ko
double
napatay
kill.
yung Lance, di pala napapatay. Wala na!
Launch attack.
Mukhang ang hirap manalo today, ah.
Our turret is under attack.
Mukhang kailangan ko na ng truncheon talaga.
The show continues. Higher ups? Just a bunch of hypocrites. Ravens? How obnoxious.
Request backup.
It took me 10 years to see the truth. Combust!
An enemy has been slain.
Lord!
Okay.
Lord muna.
Lord. Battle spell in progress.
Banggain mo, Renzo.
Heretics. How daring of them to utter that word. Combust!
The enemy has slain Lord. An enemy has been slain. Shut down. Double kill. An enemy has been slain. We're behind Lord.
Combust!
You have
Gago
lost
ka, may
attack.
assist pa pala
We're
yun.
not done here.
Request backup. Your team destroyed a turret.
Panalo kami.
Victory!
Ay, salamat. Nanalo din tayo. Out na. Panalo na eh. Yo, what's up? Endo tayo na live stream guys. And another live na naman ang natapos for tonight videos, mga lods. It's too tired. Nakakapagod maging ano, par. Napapagod na din yung katawang lupa ako ah.
How the world sees me is of little consequence.
GG's.